happens when Suzuki decides to go all in on power. You get the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and trust me, this machine is something special. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into Suzuki's latest beast, the 2026 RM-Z 1050. Let's break down everything you need to know. Design. Starting with design, Suzuki has completely refreshed the look. The aggressive bodywork features sharp lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The signature Suzuki yellow pops against black accents, giving it an unmistakably bold presence. The slim chassis keeps weight centered, while redesigned ergonomics provide excellent rider comfort. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where things get exciting. The 1050cc engine delivers raw, responsive power. Acceleration is smooth yet explosive when needed. The suspension features fully adjustable components that handle rough terrain with confidence. Whether navigating tight corners or opening up on straights, the RM-Z 1050 responds beautifully. On the tech side, Suzuki has integrated a new digital dash with customizable ride modes. Traction control is adjustable across multiple settings, and the quick shifter makes gear changes effortless. Enhanced connectivity allows pairing with smartphone apps to track performance data. Overall, the 2026 RM-Z 1050 represents a serious step forward. It combines power, precision, and modern technology in one impressive package. If this review helped, drop a comment with your thoughts on the RM-Z 1050. Hit that like button, share this video with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you in the next one.